What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justinpacete back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you are new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links that I post in this video, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node, or staking your TFO tokens if there's room to my Elite Edge node. Either way, help out my channel, help out the Theta Network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much TFO passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta Network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. I do also want to mention of today's sponsor of Theta Forums, but a little bit more on them later. So I really am getting excited for the new Theta news and updates that I have for you guys. So we're going to see here in a moment, seeing that with the news and at least the announcement for today's video. I'm going to talk about more of exchanges, locations, partners, and like previous partners in the past that's mentioning certain things that seems like they're tying in together everything that is Theta affiliated. I really am hopeful for sharing you guys this news. I'm going to talk about our sponsor later on, but we're going to go on to X scene here. Starting off, this was posted on May 13th of 2025. Just in, Dubai partners with Crypto.com to launch crypto payments for government service. You can even see down here below the first comment, at least for my viewing, it says, okay, this is absolutely massive. Second to their partnership with Cloud9 today, Mitch Liu and Theta Network, because I believe Theta Network is affiliated or at least listed on Crypto.com. Same thing with Theta Fuel when I was able to use a liner, another partner of Theta Network. We're going to go on to this article. We're going to talk about more about the listing and how it could potentially impact Theta Network. So put some thoughts and comments down below, guys, when it comes to any kind of listing when it comes to Theta Network. I'll break down the comparisons between Crypto.com, Binance, as well as Coinbase. Starting on the next post as well, Crypto.com themselves is saying that they're proud to be selected to support DePin in a world first agreement to enable a government-wide implementation of payments digitization. So just basically saying digitalized assets and payments is the way that this whole article is going to be mentioning. I'm going to highlight a couple things here you can see as well. So that's what we're going to definitely dive into. See, here is the headline. It says government of Dubai to allow cryptocurrency payments for fees. On May 12 of 2025, Dubai Finance has signed a memorandum of understanding with Crypto.com, a globally recognized cryptocurrency trading platform, to facilitate government service fee payments using cryptocurrencies, marking a pioneering milestone in digital finance on a global scale. The partnership will accelerate the implementation of Dubai cashless strategy, designed to foster secure, efficient, and inclusive financial transactions through cryptocurrencies. It paves the way for Dubai's transition to a fully digital, cashless society by empowering the government of Dubai to harness financial technology in launching a new digital payment channel on the government digital portals. This innovation will enable seamless, secure, and forward-thinking payments for government services using stable cryptocurrencies, reinforcing Dubai's position as a global leader in financial innovation. This country themselves is just trying to be a forefront for the future of, at least how I think about, is the future of payments, any kind of fees, trading. That's just how I see the future in my own opinion. Put your own thoughts and comments down below. Since you're watching this video, you'll probably have some sort of agreement for me, I believe, just because it makes sense why people are watching this video. But if you think otherwise, you're more than welcome to drop it down below and I'll comment it as soon as I can. The rest of the article, you're more than welcome to. It's a little bit more about details for this, but I just feel like that announcement that I just highlighted is probably the bigger news that everybody wants to hear. Before I do continue to the next part of the news here, guys, I do want to mention of our sponsor of Theta Forums. So just a quick message from them. Theta Forums, you're able to have community questions, have answers by the community for the community. You can see there are different type of categories that are listed here, and it tells you what kind of date it was posted. Different directories, meaning there's different aspects of Theta Network that you can probably ask. For example, there's just a couple from the beginning you can see here: Theta Network Forum, Theta Edge Cloud Forum, Theta Drop Forum, so on and so forth. You're more than welcome to check out all the links down below in the description for this post right here. In addition to that, you can see all the other tabs right here as well: Theta Edge Cloud, Theta Network, Theta Drop's website, Guardian Monitor, Theta Con, mobile edge node download. So if you do want to sign up or log in, there is that page up here on the top right. If you want to add your email, so you'll be added to the list. I'm sure you'll get notifications when there's new posts or anything like that. But overall, like I said, check out that link down below for Theta Forums. Thank you, Theta Forums, for sponsoring this video. Now back onto the other video. This individual also looks like they forgot to update the news and it's already out. It says DWF Labs has a new office in Dubai. They plan to host different events, tailored workshops, and other cool stuff. They will start tomorrow with the baddest hot desks. This was posted on May 13th of 2025. More updates soon. And then the Vice President of Ecosystems of DWF Labs. We're going to go on to how this is affiliated with Theta Network, this lab. Just hovering over themselves right here, DWF Labs, building the future of Web3 together, new generation Web3 investor and market maker. So as you can tell, this is going to be affiliated with Theta Network because with this previous post that's back in, I think, 2023. It says right here, December 6th of 2023, the headline for this: DWF Labs invests $1 million to propel Theta Edge Cloud's hybrid cloud computing ecosystem. And just going a little bit more, DWF Labs is excited to announce a commitment of $1 million to the Theta Labs ecosystem to focus on advancing its latest innovation, Theta Edge Cloud. The Theta Edge Cloud is the world's first hybrid cloud computing platform built on the fully distributed edge architecture designed to serve the computing needs of video, 3D rendering, AI, and more. DWF Labs' investment in Theta Labs underscores the belief in potential of Theta's technology to revolutionize the way video, media, and AI services are consumed and delivered across the globe. They look forward to supporting Theta's commitment to expanding its vision of a more interconnected and efficient digital world. And about a little bit more details about DWF Labs is a global digital asset market maker and a multi-stage Web3 investment firm, one of the world's largest high-frequency cryptocurrency trading entities, which trades spots and derivatives markets on over 60 top exchanges. So just a little bit of a reintroduction for DWF Labs and Theta, because it's been quite some time since this announcement. You can tell it's been about 2 years almost, and I feel like sometimes when the news in the previous partnerships with Theta kind of gets lost in the dust, and I'm just hoping that everything that we're seeing here is connected in some sort of way, but that's just my own opinion on how I'm tying everything together. Definitely do your own research. I did want to go on Liner because there's just some quick questions I liked using. This video is not sponsored by Liner, but I do like using it because, one, they are affiliated with Theta Network as a partner, and also I feel like the information that they are able to share, they share the links and their quick answers, and it's pretty helpful just based on at least what they're able to source. The first question I asked is Theta Token and Theta Fuel listed on Crypto.com? And the quick answer is yes, both Theta Token and Theta Fuel are listed on Crypto.com. Theta Token is officially listed on Crypto.com. It looks like this was on September 2019, making it available on the Crypto.com app for purchase and trading. Users can buy Theta at true cost with no fees and have the convenience of using payment methods like credit cards and bank transfers on the platform. Comment anything down below if you do use Crypto.com. I personally have not. I've only used like exchanges like SimpleSwap is one. I don't know if PancakeSwap is one anymore, but I know that SimpleSwap, at least in the United States, is a pretty common one. A second question, just to get on more details of, I did want to ask, where is Crypto.com headquarters based in? The quick answer was Singapore. It looks like the official address of its headquarters is in this address here. Some records also mention a location in the Pacific Plaza in Hong Kong, but the primary and official headquarters is consistently noted as Singapore. Last thing I do want to compare is how big of an exchange is Crypto.com compared to the other exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. Here are some of the stats, like the market share. This is in like 2025. You can see that Binance is 1, Crypto.com is 2nd, and then 3rd, at least with this comparison, is Coinbase. The trading volume of since December of 2024, you can see the numbers listed here. User base, 230 million for Binance, 100 million over for Crypto.com, and 110 for Coinbase. Global reach listed as well. It looks like Crypto.com doesn't have a big global reach compared to these other two. The fee structure, it looks like it says it's pretty competitive and it's lower than Coinbase. And the growth trend looks like rapid growth, 2nd largest central exchange. And then I believe this is popular but overtaken by Crypto.com against Coinbase, and then for Binance is dominant but losing some shares. So we shall see as to how Crypto.com could potentially impact Theta Network positively, but it's only a matter of time until Theta Network, hopefully, at least in my own opinion, just gains more traction, more popularity, especially since all these other sports teams and universities are continuing to advertise it. Maybe that's part of their deal for using Theta Token, but in general, if people are using the technology and it's being implemented, who knows what else Theta Network can potentially partner with. But overall, that's all I really have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much if you're an OG viewer and subscriber and coming back to the channel. Would not be here without you. If you're a new viewer though, trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links that I posted in this video, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or staking your TFL tokens if there's room to my Elite Edge node. Either way, help out my channel, help the Theta Network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much TFL passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta Network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. Really am excited for the future of Theta Network, future partners, any collaborations, businesses, things like that. I'm still going to be optimistic. Of course, that's the reason why this channel is still growing and people are still subscribing to the channel and people are still staking. So I'm glad to say that there's still hundreds of thousands of Theta tokens on my Guardian node and equivalent to T-Fuel on the Elite Edge node. So as of right now, I believe it could be full. I am also thankful for the sponsors that are coming onto the channel. I also would not be here without you guys, so thank you very much. Really am looking forward to the future of Theta though. Until the next Theta video, till the next Theta update, it is your boy Justinpacete, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.